Hi there! How would you like to skip all the monthly costs associated with running an online business and jump directly to profits? Yes, as an online marketer, you need various tools and services for your business. That includes hosting, Autoresponder, Cloud Drive, graphic designing, content writing, and webinar tools. And you're paying hundreds of dollars every month, thousands, maybe tens of thousands of dollars every single year. Imagine if you can get your hands on world-class software that is a magical bundle of 7 most used digital marketing apps at a low, unbeatable price. You can use all the extra money to grow your business, run advertising campaigns, do marketing, do stuff that really brings money to the table. Many people quit even before they make their first sale because they get overwhelmed with all the costs needed to run an online business. But everything changes today. Instead of worrying about every single month about paying these services, you can relax, have a clear mind, and work on making profits while we take care of the rest. Hi, I'm Yogesh Agarwal, a passionate internet marketer delivering high-quality software products over the last 3 years, making $2.4 million in sales and profits. I've helped over 39,000 struggling marketers to generate more traffic and sales for their offers and businesses with my revolutionary software products. And today, I'm bringing another groundbreaking tool. Introducing Propel, world's first advanced 7-in-1 business package comprising all the high-quality services you'll ever need with zero restrictions for a single payment. It includes Propel Host, unlimited hosting solution that allows you to host unlimited websites, domains, and subdomains on ultra-reliable and super-fast loading servers with unlimited end-to-end SSL encryption and bandwidth. Propel Mailer, brand, new email autoresponder with built-in SMTP. Domain management, unlimited campaigns, unlimited subscribers, email templates editor, and embedded subscription form feature. Propel Webinar, video conferencing platform designed to help people and business conduct virtual meetings from multiple devices with end-to-end SSL encryption. Also offers team collaboration tools including audio and video conferencing, podcasts, screen sharing, integrated messaging, and more. Propel Cloud Drive, an all-in-one platform that allows users to store up to 500 gigabytes, backup, share and host unlimited files, images, and videos in the cloud for life with revolutionary compression algorithm. Propel Graphic Design App, powerful and advanced Photoshop replacement that allows users to create stunning, eye-popping graphics and images with point-and-click simple editor and stunning filters. Propel AI Copywriter, one-click instant copywriter for creating unlimited content with AI technology and 7-figure copywriting templates, drag-and-drop editor, and full SEO optimization. Propel Link Optimizer, advanced link optimizer that protects your links from hijacking, from spam traps, and land even your affiliate links into primary inbox. Loaded with link rotators, password protection, multiple URL shortening, and tracking pixels features. This sounds incredible! Propel will effectively enable you to stop monthly expenses of Aweber, hosting, Dropbox, Photoshop, and Zoom, and save thousands of dollars each year. Propel, get ready to host unlimited websites, domains, subdomains, databases for years at no extra cost. Send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers with built-in SMTP in just minutes. Host podcasts, webinars, virtual conferences, online classes, and conduct heavy-usage live business meetings in just minutes. Store, share, and deliver all your videos, audios, images, and media files with ultra-fast and reliable cloud storage. Design pro-level graphics for all your projects with our point-and-click simple Propel graphic design app. Design high-converting sales letters, upsells, newsletters, VSLs, and even regular blog posts in any niche for just one click. Skyrocket your open and click-through rates by optimizing your email links in just a few minutes. And here's the kicker. Get all this at one low-time price. Just how good does that sound? Well, today is a lucky day. Today is the day it will all become a reality for you. Propel is a revolutionary software unlike any other in the industry. The best part? It's 100% newbie-friendly and gets better and better every day. Finally, it's time to stop paying month after month to expensive money-sucking service providers and make huge money day in and day out. And grab hold of this breakthrough tool and enjoy lifetime access to these 7 services that usually cost hundreds of dollars every month. And unlock doors to a better life with more savings, money, freedom, happiness, security, peace, all bundled into one smooth package. With our product, you don't need to pay anymore for Autoresponder, webinars, graphic designing, cloud storage, copywriting, hosting, link optimizer. Fire that copywriter and graphic designer today. Propel is a complete business suite that provides you all vital tools you need at a reasonably low one-time price and skyrockets your profits. This product will explode your lists, clicks, sales, and profits. It's a true win-win. Cancel all those pesky monthly subscriptions. You also get access to some incredible bonuses when you buy them today. WhatsApp Store, Online WhatsApp Store Builder. Profiles, build your business profile page with our DFY templates and QR Builder. PageX, Landing Page Builder. Create, publish, and optimize unlimited landing pages. 10+ unannounced bonuses. We are offering you a cost-effective solution with zero limitation and even more features and easier to use than anything on the market right now. Propel comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You have 30 days to try and test. Start using Propel instantly and start making money with this right away. It normally takes thousands of dollars to create software like this and months of waiting for designers, coders to create such a thing. And I'm going to give it to you for a nominal price of $16.95. Because it's Christmas and I want you to succeed. I want to remove any excuses and/or any roadblocks you might have in your way to become successful. I want to help out serious struggling marketers to break free from those money suckers' clutches and start making real profits for their business. That's why I've decided to go all the way and offer you instant unlimited access to these incredible tools at a low one-time price. Can it get better than this? Yes, it does. So waste no more time. Grab this magical bundle of 7 most used digital marketing apps at an unbelievable low one-time price and transform your business today. Abandon all those expensive monthly bloodsuckers and save thousands of dollars each year. We can't wait to see you making super money with this breakthrough software.